Just come onto this website, sign up for absolutely cost-free, do a few surveys, and that's what you are currently making Bitcoin all for cost-free. We are back with a new way of just how to earn $67 in free Bitcoin every 22 minutes for doing absolutely nothing. What's outstanding about this approach is that it doesn't require any fancy devices, skills or experience, and you can also start earning money with this now, right after finishing this video. It's an evergreen technique, so it's assured to work through all the upcoming years too. It's extremely simple. All you have to do is ensure to watch the entire video, so you will not miss out on any essential information. As well as ensure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, because in that way you are not just helping me, but you are additionally making sure that you won't miss out on any brand new approach that could make you thousands of dollars. So with no more trouble, let's jump into app number 1. So at app number 1, we have Bitforty.com. Currently, Bitforty is a website that will let ordinary people like you and me make Bitcoin for simply doing fundamental tasks. So how does it work? Over right here, people post various questions, like an example, if I have a question or I have any problem, I need help sorting that problem. After that, I can do is that I can merely register on this website and then create an inquiry like this. So over below, people have questions and anybody can answer them. As long as the answers are accurate, people can get Bitcoin for that. Over below, you have tens and even hundreds of all prepared questions to be answered. So people are simply placing questions over down. All that you need to do is to find the response to these questions is to copy our questions. I'm going to locate an excellent question from over below. So we have this one, which new cryptocurrency will likely increase by more than 100 in the next month. I'm going to click on that, and after that, from over right here, select this question. So copy this as well as paste it onto Google and then click on enter. Once you do that, you will have this article show up. Go to the initial one, read it, and then give a short answer to this person, so that the person is going to pay you money or like Bitcoin, as I claimed previously. So overall, it's an excellent method to make Bitcoin if you want to in 2021. So this was the app number 1. Currently, we are going to jump into app number 2. So at app number 2, we have Surveytime.io. Currently, Surveytime.io is a website that is going to pay you for doing surveys. Now, exactly how does this work? You do a couple of surveys, and then as soon as you do those surveys, you can merely cash out after you have earned a particular amount of points. Now you can get immediately rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. After that, you can finish as lots of surveys as you like to personally. So below that, we also have a Trustpilot score from them, which is a 4.5 rating. If a website has a Trustpilot rating of 4.5, well, you understand that website is legit and that website is not going to anywhere else. So all in all, it's a fantastic website and you must try it out. So this was app number 2, and also now we are going to jump into app number 3. So app number 3 right now is cinchbucks. Currently, I'm not going to waste a lot of time on this website because this application is not available worldwide. So like over here, we can see that they are not available in many locations. So I'm not going to discuss it a great deal, but they could be available in your location, and all they need you to do is play games, watch a couple of videos, do a few simple tasks, and that's it. You can currently make Bitcoin as well from their website. So now we are going to jump into app number 4. So at app number 4, we have Coinbase. Currently, Coinbase is a fantastic website because it's the world's largest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency. As soon as you come onto their website, you will see this dashboard before you. Over right here, you can see that the deal in all sorts of cryptocurrency. What I desire you to do is to click on Start Earning from their webpage. Once you click there, it will take you to the over below. So over right here, you have several choices to start earning money. So what are they going to pay you for? They will pay you for learning about different cryptocurrencies. Basically, you will certainly have to learn about different cryptocurrencies and you can make cryptocurrencies from them as well. So we have the very first one, Ample Fourth Governance Token. So they will pay you $3 worth of the fourth coin for just taking this course. They will pay you $11 worth of Silo for taking this course. They will pay you $3 worth of GRT for taking this course, and so on. So all in all, you are not doing anything like a various. What you are doing is that you are just merely learning about different things and you are making money from that. So I assume that is useful for both you and each person who is doing this thing. So this was app number 4, as well as now we are going to jump into app number 5. So at app number 5 we have Cointiply.com. Currently, Cointiply.com is a website that will pay you for doing a wide range of things. Over here, we have some vital information that we need to know about. First of all, we can see that they have paid over $1.2 million in cost-free Bitcoin because of their startup. So, listed below that, we can additionally see they have been trusted by some big names such as Tap Research, AdSaint Media, Peanut Labs, Polfish, Theorem Research, Minute Stuff, Offer Toro, Personally, AdGate Media, and additionally your survey. So, below that, we can likewise see the whole process. So, how does this work? You sign up for an abstract duty-free account, log in to get started, complete the offers, play the multiplier and do some surveys. Now, by doing surveys, what I mean is that you merely respond to a couple of questions that they ask you and after that complete tasks. After that, you watch the videos and also you earn coins for that too. All in all, it's a great way to generate income. Nowadays, a few of the plus points of Cointiply. So to start with, you can see that they provide a loyalty bonus for everyone who logs into their platform every single day. After that, you can earn a 5% interest on your coin balance whenever you reach 35,000 coins. You can even deposit coins as well. You can multiply your coin. They have a large community over here too. And after that, they likewise use quick payment like instant cash out to your wallet. In conclusion, it's an impressive website as well as everyone needs to try this out. So to get going, you merely sign up by simply putting in your email right here and you are also done with that. They also have an Android application which you can download on your computer system, which you can download on your phone. And when you have this on your phone, you can see all the things you can do. So you can accumulate free daily coins, you can redeem free promo codes, you can stairways, play fun games, watch your videos and earn money to click on ads. So these are the things that you can do with your phone as well. Think of the capabilities that you have at your disposal by using your computer. So over here, we can likewise see that they have a lot of good ratings. Overall, this is definitely an amazing website and you must try this out. Before I end the video, I'm going to tell you a bit of Bitcoin right now. So the rate of Bitcoin is around $40,000 now. So you can see the way Bitcoin is going up and down. It's an incredible time to invest in Bitcoin, since if you don't right now, you could miss out on some extremely important stuff and all the applications that I informed you about in this video. Each of them can pay you in the form of Bitcoin. So don't miss out, don't waste time, as well as make the most out of these methods. Over right here, we can see that Bitcoin has been at an all-time high of $64,000. That is definitely insane and incredible, since that implies that even more people can earn money. So make sure to keep each of this in mind and also you will be on the method to making a lot of money. One last thing is that ensure to look out for various frauds, since several of the applications of few of websites that I talk about in this video are highly curated. Primarily, I go through everything myself as well, as I ensure that every little thing is secure. If you go out on your own on the internet, there might be some people who could attempt to scam. I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and the application that I reveal to you, not any other websites. Only after that you will be able to achieve techniques fully and have the ability to monetize your time effectively without getting scammed anywhere. So that's what I have to say for now. This was the video. If this video helped you out, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, and I will see you in some of my following videos.